Hello everyone. In previous sessions, we have studied print statement, input statement and arithmetic operators. In this session, we will study assignment operators. Well, the most basic assignment operator is equal to operator. We have used this many times in our past programs. So, when we write x equal to 10, it means we are assigning a value of 10 to x. Listen, equal to is a commonly used assignment operator, but Python has many more interesting assignment operators. Let's try one by one. First is the plus equal to operator. Here we will write a simple program. X equal to 5, then we will write x plus equal to 3 and finally print the value of x like this. Let's run the code. We got the output 8. This means the value of 3 is added to the original value of x. So, plus equal to operator adds value to the original value of the variable. It is exactly like x equal to x plus 3. Now, we will try minus equal to assignment operator. This is very simple. I guess you already understood the meaning. Still, we will write a small program. We will write x equal to 5 and then x minus equal to 3 like this. We will print the value using the print statement. Well, execute the code and we got the output 2, which means it is same as x equal to x minus 3. Python provides many such assignment operators like asterisk equal to, slash equal to, percent equal to, slash slash equal to and many more. Let's try to use these operators in real life example. Suppose we are asked to develop a program to divide the metal strip. Here we have one metal strip and we have to make pieces of that strip. The program should accept the length of metal strip and from that our program should be able to tell the possible number of 5 meter and 3 meter pieces and it should also tell the wastage. Let's try to develop this program. First we will accept the length of metal strip as input. So here we will write strip underscore length equal to input and in brackets a message for the user and then include the input inside int to convert the input. I hope you remember this. So our length is available in the variable strip underscore length. If you want to divide the strip into 5 meters piece each and calculate the wastage, what we will do? It's simple. Suppose the length is 54. Then we will divide the 54 by 5. So we will have 10 as quotient and 4 as remainder. Here 10 is the number of pieces and 4 meter is remaining a wastage. So to calculate the pieces, we will write P5 equal to length slash slash 5. Here slash slash is the floor division operator. We have used this operator because we want the number of pieces that can't be a fraction. Now we want the wastage or remaining strip. To do this, we will write strip length percent equal to 5. Here the length will be replaced by the remaining length after dividing by 5. That is the remainder. So the new value of the length of strip is 4. Now from the remaining length we want 3 meter piece. So the step will be P3 equal to length slash slash 3. Here we will get 3 meter length pieces. And finally to the wastage, we will write strip underscore length modulus equal to 3. Now the length of the strip will contain the remaining or the waste metal. Let's print the result using a print statement like this. First we will print P5, that is 5 meter pieces and then 3 meter pieces and finally the wastage like this. Let's run the program. We will give the input as 54 and this is our perfect output. Hope you have understood how to use these assignment operators. Please, I am again requesting to practice. Practice hard, there is no shortcut to that. And all our practice examples are available in this URL. Thanks for watching.